Hello, my name is Alvaro Fernandez, and today I will be presenting chapter number 9 from the case study, which is behavioral and organizational issues in management accounting and control systems. In addition to presenting these topics, I will be relating with the company that I selected for my course, which was Amazon.com. So, in regards to the behavioral and organizational issues, something that we will always find in every company, it doesn't matter what industry the company belongs to, is the ethical behavior and the ethical dilemmas. In many cases, companies find a conflict between their beliefs and the beliefs of the company. For example, we might find a person which, because of its religion, has different holidays, and if they start working in a company that do not believe in the same religion, they don't have the same holiday. So, for example, there will be the employee will start finding encounters between what the company believes and what he believes or she believes. In this case, in order for the company to reduce the problems that this may cause, and more in this time in which the globalization is making more interactions among all the cultures in the world. So if we start working in some company, we will find a diversification in cultures. People from China working in the same space with people from America, and those cultures are very different. So what the company has to do is to develop a code of behavior. With this code of behavior, the company will reduce the problems that the ethical and moral encounters may cause. In that way, in case something happens, the people should remit to the ethical to the code of ethical behavior, and they will know how to solve the problem that the circumstance is causing. So, in the case of Amazon, as I mentioned before, the technology and the globalization is making the world smaller every day. So, there's people working in the same environment and they have different beliefs. They belong to different religions. They come from different countries. So, this may cause a lot of problems. But these ethical dilemmas not only cause problems with the company, it may cause also problems with the external or with the stakeholders. So, for example, with customers, with providers, with clients, we can find also with distributors, because as I told you before, the cultures are very different, and the business cultures, more than everything, they are very different. So the company has to be prepared if they wanna introduce their product in a certain country. They before entering those products, they have to analyze how the business world works in that country. In that way, everything is gonna go in the same line that the people in that country is expecting to to receive the products. So the company will be able to introduce those products and to have a successful operation in the new market or in the new target. The control systems is something that has to be performed in every company. It's almost impossible to run a business without having control systems, especially for those companies that are very big and they have a lot of employees. With the control systems, they will have like a guide for solving problems, and in that way, they won't spend a lot of time, which in business time means money, just solving an ethical encounter between two agents.